Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never Crew, and in this video we're going to go over heel toe spam. You guys have seen me do this move quite a few times, and I've had a couple people request it, so today we're going over crossover heel toe spam. Let's go. So we're starting with our basic crossover, kick, switch, hit, but rather than landing here, what we're going to do is we're going to be landing on our heel, like that, okay? So that leg that crosses over goes heel. Now, the second most important thing is keep your legs as close together as possible. So try again, going kick, switch, hit. Close together, keep your balance. Then from here, all you're gonna do is pivot your body like this. Don't step your legs out in any direction. All you do is pivot. You see how I use my hands there? Try again, go back. So to go back, all you're gonna do is unwind it, okay? Again, don't move your legs, only twist them. Don't step them anywhere. So again, we're here, you're just gonna go punch to the right. As you do that, you're rotating your legs to the left, okay? So try and add those together now, going 1, 2, 3, then rotate, boom, just like that, okay? Last step we're doing there, all we're gonna do from here is lean back onto that foot, like this, whoop, lean onto that back foot, then this leg is gonna come behind and step down. As it does that, your front foot is gonna go out, just like this. So you're here, your front leg is going to the back. As you now, your front leg is gonna twist outwards, just like that. So your toe, twist, okay? So, going back to step number 1. What's step number 1? This is. Step number 2, rotate. Step number 3, lean backwards, then front foot steps back. As it steps back, your front toe pivots out, okay? So, all 3 of those together, slowly, kick, switch, pose, so, then rotate, lean, and step, okay? So, the big things to realize here is I'm stepping right heel, left toe, right here, so make sure you're not flat foot, toes and toes, okay? Hence it called heel toe. Then as you pivot, staying again, heel toe. Then lean backwards, front foot, steps, and again, heel toe. So notice it's always gonna be heel toe, okay? Because the more high you can be, the faster you're gonna be able to go later down the road. So now let's add that all together. 1, 2, 3, and pivot, lean back, hit, okay? So try that a couple times, boom. You notice it's gonna be in one motion, hit. So as soon as that toe hits the back, your front toe is gonna go out, okay? That needs to be one motion, and hit, and hit, and hit. Good. Now, all you're doing on the other side is the same thing. We just have to get there, okay? So we just ended right here, boom. All you're gonna do is keep your legs glued together, again, still staying nice and close together. Re-step with that front foot. So you're here, re-step, pivot with your arms this way as your legs go that way. Boom, just like that. Then lean backwards. Oh, guess where we are? Looks familiar, right? Leg up, bring it behind, tap the ground, front foot, out, just like that, okay? So, going all the way back, toe behind, front foot in front, we are here. We re-step to go this way. Step, just like that. Back leg, pivots, lean, flat, front foot, steps. And again, that same toe is gonna happen there. Toe up. So, front leg, up. As the toe touches, hits, and hits. Just like that. Now all you're gonna do is add both those sides together. So think of it just like a 6-step. 3 on each, 3 on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So going into it now. 1, pivot 2, lean back 3, re-step 4, 5, 6. All right, YOLO at one time a little bit quicker, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you notice, when I do it quicker, I'm not gonna be going ha, ha. I'm gonna be making it nice and small so that I can go quicker and quicker and quicker. So now try and do it very small, okay? So all you're gonna do is go cross, pivot, lean back, hit, step, pivot, hit. You see that? So again, why is it that I can go so small? Don't do, a lot of people like to go like this. That's when you start to lose stuff, okay? Keep it nice and tight. The tighter it is, the more controlled it's gonna be. And then, what's this? Oh, salsa, baby! Hips, boy. Use your hips. I know, maybe you're a male. Maybe you don't like using your hips. Maybe you think it makes you look feminine. Or maybe you're a lady and you're self-conscious to make those hips rock. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, boy, if you don't use your hips, you got no feeling, man. So, hips, twist. Always with your legs, okay? Hit. So even though I'm still facing forwards, where are my hips facing? Where my legs are. Then as I go back, hips. You see that? Wherever your feet are facing, your hips follow it. So keep your chest front, but your hips swivel. Just like a swivelly chair, okay? So, twist, 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 twist. Catch your balance, twist. Then, just do that quicker. So again, if you're really feeling uncomfortable and not sure on how to twist your hips, literally do this. So, grab your shirt, whatever, pull one direction, look over there, twist your hips the other direction, and your feet, and then other way. And then, boom, 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 twist, twist. Arms going opposite. Your arms are the leverage to get your legs there. Now, add all that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Biggest things. Toes, heels, up as high as you can. Legs, tight as you can. Use your hips. Use your arms to support. Then just start going quicker and quicker and quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, etc. Okay? Yes, I'm only doing a 6 count because there's only 6 steps, but you can slow it down, you can speed it up to match whatever you want, okay? I don't usually do this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 style step because I want to use it for a specific timing of the music. So if there's a drum break that goes chicka 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 boom, I'd hit it something like that. Now let's say you want to do more than one on each side, okay? So we just ended here. What the heck do we do? Well, it's the exact same thing that we did over there. We just re-step with the front foot. Switch our legs in front, always crosses after 3. So you always end on that third and then you cross. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this leg's in front, guess I cross. 1, 2, 3. This leg's in front, cross. 2, 3. Then cross. 2, 3, etc. Now, all you gotta do is get it faster and faster and faster. To get it faster, keep your weight as light as you can on your feet. Use your hips and your arms as fast as you can, and it may look a little bit like this. Alright, y'all. That's the end of that. This was your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never Crew. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what you'd like to see next. If you like one-off content like this, also let me know. Tell me what move you'd like me to cover next. It was your boy. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and smash that bell button for more videos. I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.